the channel. So today is going to be my June plant club unboxing. So last month my new subscription box for the month was the plant box, but I'm gonna keep this box as I really am a plant lover fanatic. So this is not my new box, new subscription box for this month. I just filmed that box. I don't know if it'll be up before this one or not, but so yeah, this month is going, or this video is going to be my plant club unboxing. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, hit the bell, and yeah, let's get into it, guys. So I went ahead and got the plant out as soon as it got here this morning, because I know that they use 3-day expedient shipping, but I always worry about my little plant sitting out there in the heat, traveling around. He might be needing a drink. So I did go ahead and get him out. And they are always wrapped in plastic with a little rubber band so the dirt doesn't fly around everywhere. And then they are inside this really soft like mesh like material. So they always come really well protected. This is only my second box from them, but I have yet to receive a like damaged plant. Like these ones have both looked really good. So here's what he looks like up close. And here's his little temporary pot. I still have a little bit of plastic around him just because there is dirt in there and I just don't want to get it everywhere. So there's what he looks like up close. Now let's dive in and I will show you guys what else came in this box. So always when you open it up, it looks like this. It'll have the little card. As you can see, the little bag of dirt. Right here is the planter that you get. So the little pamphlet says, "Hello, my name is Pothos Neon," and then it has like the actual full name below it. That's what the card looks like. And then inside it will give you planting instructions, tips on the plant, caring instructions if he likes a lot of light, you know, what kind of watering he enjoys. So I love these cards. They're so helpful. So you always receive a house plant blend. It is a big bag of dirt. You never need this much dirt, but there's always plenty extra. And then this month we received a little bag. It says it's a wood bean pebbles. So here's what the pebbles look like. They kind of just look like small little generic little pebbles, but they are really cute. And you get a good amount. Like this will, you know, really be a good amount. And then you always get a little piece of candy and then a magnet with his name on it and then a pencil. Not sure why we get the pencil thing. I've not figured that one out, because we got a copper plant label this month and you'll need a marker to write on this. So here's what the little, this is what the little copper plant label looks like. So it's just like a little stake you'll stick in the planter, and then the candy, the magnet, and then the pencil. I'm actually going to take that magnet and the past magnet and take them and put them in my work locker, so that way I can like start collecting all the little magnets, because I don't really have anything like metal that I could put them on here, like in my room or bathroom, or nothing other than the refrigerator downstairs. But so then let's get into the planter. So when you pull it out, it's always nicely packaged and it's not broken, chipped, or nothing. And this time we get a nice like shiny blue planter, and it has this like built-in little drip tray, but there is no drain hole, so another positive. Don't like them drain holes. So but this one is super cute. Here's kind of what he will look like planted. I'll just pop him in there. So here's what he'll look like planted as soon as I get him planted. But Yeah, he'll be so cute. I love the neon like colors of the leaves with the blue. I think that's really cute. So that is everything that I got in my plant club box for the month of June. If you guys are, enjoy getting to see what plant I get every month, please let me know if you like actually enjoy this video, or if you find it boring and just prefer my beauty content, please let me know. But even if you do find it boring, I'll probably still film it because I love plants. Anyways, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe before you leave. And y'all, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching today. So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.